Our LMS is a multi-tenant cloud-based application, allowing students to connect from anywhere with an internet connection. Data for each tenant is contained within a secure, isolated environment named a branch. For this demonstration, we're going to log in to the demo branch with a demonstration user account. After logging in, the student is presented with a home screen from which they may access the range of courses to which they're entitled. These may be new courses within the course catalogue or courses which the student has already begun or completed. The student can also see various personal statistics such as the amount of time spent in the Academy and the number of certifications obtained, and access several other features of the LMS which we will not demonstrate here. Clicking on any of the courses assigned to the student presents a screen showing various details, including a description of the course, the units contained within the course, and any course prerequisites or completion criteria. From here, the student may elect to start the course from the beginning or from a specific unit, or return to the home screen. Let's start one of the units in this course to get an idea of what to expect. Each unit covers a specific topic and is made of 3 parts: explain what and why, demonstrate, and practice. The explain what and why part is done through an animated audio explanation.
Welcome to SRD Basic User Training Demo, Introduction to the SRD S3D Interface. Before we begin, let's set the expectations for this presentation. In this short introduction to the SRD S3D interface, we'll briefly review what we know about the SRD design system interfaces. Then, we'll discuss the different data and export files for Smart 3D, and demonstrate this in SRD. Before we continue, let's review what we know about the SRD design system interfaces. The standard database offers pre-configured system interfaces for design software, such as Smart 3D, Smart Isometrics, PDS, PDMS, CADWorks. These configurations just need to be adjusted based on project requirements. Once this is done, SRD will export the data in a format that matches the requirements of each of these design software. SRD data are exported as Excel files for the Smart 3D interface.
The demonstration part is done through software simulation. What has been explained before is now shown directly on the application.
Levels of a component in SRD. The first level is the commodity group. Level 2 is the commodity part. The third level is the commodity code. And the last level is the ident code. The ident code is classified under the commodity code level, because an ident code is the result of a commodity code where size and schedule details are added. From the commodity ident management window, we must select the 5th option from the drop-down list to be able to display the ident code level. It is easy to navigate through the hierarchy tree of the left panel to display the commodity codes of a selected group and part. Clicking the expansion button next to a commodity code will show the ident codes built for this code. Let's try to check the idents for this highlighted commodity code. The ident code and its parameters are displayed. And in the Grid View panel, if we click on the idents tab,
Finally, practice can be done using multiple choice questions that you can repeat until you get the right answers. An explanation is provided when you answer incorrectly.
what is the first step in generating an ident code from a commodity code? Please select the correct answer. Incorrect. Linking a geometric table through geometric relation is the second step in generating an ident code from a commodity code. Please try again. What is the first step in generating an ident code from a commodity code? Please select the correct answer. Correct. Assigning an object parameter is the first step in generating an ident code from a commodity code. You may proceed to the next part.
Practice exercises can also be done using software simulations, as shown here.
You understood the demonstration on the building of idents. In this exercise, your task is to build idents with the schedule extra strong by selecting the correct actions based on what you have learned from the demonstration. You will be guided whenever you click something wrong. Good luck. Good job. You have successfully built idents with schedule extra strong or SXS following these steps. First, by selecting Show Idents to build. Second, clicking on the Schedule 1 drop-down list. Third, selecting Schedule Extra Strong or SXS. Fourth, finally building the selected idents.
Each course ends with an assessment to evaluate the student's competence. The assessment is made of a set of randomized questions that the student can't repeat. If the student's assessment result is higher than the defined passing grade, a certificate is generated. The student can directly download it based on a company-defined format. This concludes our short tour of the TecSurge Academy.